Feeling lost in the Illustrator jungle? Let's tame this beast and turn you into an efficient design machine in just 90 seconds. First things first, mastering navigation. Use the hand tool shortcut H to pan around your artboard, and the zoom tool Z to get up close and personal, or zoom out for a bird's eye view. Practice makes perfect, so get comfortable moving around. Next, learn the difference between the selection tool, or V, which moves entire objects, and the direct selection tool, which allows you to manipulate individual anchor points and paths. This is crucial for precise editing. Now let's play with shapes. The shape tools rectangle, ellipse, polygon are your building blocks. Click and drag to create them, and use the properties panel to adjust their size, color, and stroke. Hold shift while dragging to create perfect squares or circles. Feeling adventurous? The pen tool is your gateway to creating custom paths. Click to set anchor points and drag to create curves. Don't be intimidated, it takes practice, but mastering the pen tool unlocks endless design possibilities. Organization is key. The layers panel is your best friend. Think of it like stacking transparent sheets of paper. Keep your elements organized on different layers to easily select, edit, and rearrange them without affecting other parts of your design. Adding text is a breeze. Use the type tool T to add text boxes and the character panel to customize your font, size, and style. Experiment with different fonts to find the perfect voice for your design. Finally, let's combine shapes using the Pathfinder panel. This powerful tool allows you to unite, subtract, intersect, and exclude shapes, creating complex designs with ease. Experiment with different modes to see what amazing results you can achieve. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of essential Illustrator tools and techniques. Keep practicing, explore the program, and unleash your creative potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks.